Songs of the Congo, rhythms of the rainforest. In the heart of the dense Congolese rainforest, where the canopy formed the lash, a green world of its own, lived a young tribal musician named Amara. Amara was a master of many instruments, but her most cherished was the djembe, a drum that echoed with the heartbeats of the rainforest. One misty morning, as the sun tried to penetrate the thick canopy, Amara ventured into the heart of the rainforest, her djembe in hand. She sought inspiration from the very essence of the Congo, the sights, songs, and the rhythms that made the rainforest come alive. As she played the djembe, the forest responded. Birds sang melodies, monkeys added playful beats, and the wind whispered its own tune through the leaves. The symphony of the rainforest played in harmony with her drumming, creating a magical blend of natural music. Amara continued to play, each beat of her djembe telling a story of the Congo, its diverse wildlife, and the ancient tales of her people. The rhythms resonated with the very soul of the rainforest, a testament to its beauty and vitality. With her music, Amara felt a deep connection to the Congo. She realized that the rainforest was not just a home for its inhabitants, but a living, breathing eternity. Each beat of her djembe echoing its heart. Inspired by this revelation, Amara shared her experience with her tribe. They, too, began to appreciate the beauty of the rainforest in a new light. They realized that they were not just a part of the Congo was a part of them. Songs of the Congo, as played by Amara djembe, became a symbol of the connection. It reminded the people that they were the guardians of this rainforest, and it was the duty to protect and preserve its harmonious rhythms for generations to come.